The sensor is located on the center tunnel beneath the center console, red arrow. It is below the shifter. You will need to remove the center console to access it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Our 991 Gen 1 had the Redline T11 shifter upgrade, red arrow. The rotational sensor is located below the shifter and you will need to remove the shifter to access it. On the manual transmission vehicles, there are two rods that need to be disconnected from the shifter to remove it, red and blue arrows. Place the shifter into a position to get access to both of the rod connections. Rotate the locking collars to reveal the rod ends. The rod lengths are adjusted by the threaded collars inside. Make sure to mark the position of each rod, red arrows, before removing them for proper reassembler. Failure to do this will result in improper or non-functioning shifts. With the Redline T11 shifter, use a 4mm Allen and remove the 4 mounting screws indicated by the red arrows. Lift the shifter clear of the tunnel. With the Redline T11, we remove the spacers as well, indicated by the red arrows. The rotational sensor, blue arrow, is located below the shifter. Remove the two 10mm nuts, red arrows. Lift the sensor off of the mounting studs and then slide the gray locking clip back. Squeeze in on the tab and separate the sensor wiring connection. Installation is the reverse of removal, and you may need to recode this at the dealer depending on the abilities of your scan tool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.